Hello, I'm Giraud Delinage. I'm Compact Line Marketing Manager for Case. Among the compact lines, we have the Backhoe loader line. On the Backhoe loader line, we have 4 models, but 3 models look alike, and they are two-wheel steer. They are the 580, the 580 Plus, and the 590. The 580 is equipped with a turbo aftercooled engine of 95 horsepower. The 580 Plus, same power, 95 horsepower, but with common rail engine. And the 590 is equipped with a 110 horsepower engine with common rail. Let me guide you for a walk-around tour of these machines. The engine is protected by a cyclonic pre-filter and is located under a tilting hood, making it fully accessible for daily checks or maintenance on both sides. The loader arms are equipped with this red safety strut that is articulated around this axis here. The arms are bent and they give about 80 centimeters of reach to easy load or unload. The 4-bar linkage gives self-leveling of the load, going up or down. It's a mechanical linkage. The arms can be equipped with ride control, a load amortization device of the load in transport. In between the arms is the beam that is massive that prevents the torsion of the arms. The machines are equipped in standard with a return to dig automatic position or float position for easy dosing. The front loader capacity is 1 cubic meter. The bucket can be a different type. It can be like this one, a plain one, with ESCO teeth, with bolt-on blade, or teeth with segments of blade. They can be also of the 4-in-1 type. Same with ESCO teeth, angled and protected on the corners, a dorsal blade that is bolted, and the moving part is equipped with teeth for easy grab. And finally, the 4-in-1 can be equipped with forks. The forks are bolt-on and they can be supplied directly from factory from the Case parts system. For this, Case supplies lockout valves. On the back of the 4-in-1, we have features that help protect the machine. We have this unique protection of the cylinder, this protection here of the coupling, and independent and quality components to make the 4-in-1 last longer. What these loader arms give you is 5-ton lift capacity from the ground and 3.5 ton in max position at 3.5 meter. What they give you also is a massive breakout force of 6,600 decanewtons. On the backhoe loader, the backhoe is about 70% of the use of the machine. We will go from stabilizers to bucket to show you how this design is unique at Case. The stabilizers are fitted on the widest part of the chassis. They can be equipped with lockout valves. They are in standard equipped with removable shims to fight wear, and they can be equipped with rubber pads to protect the ground. The frame has a slide of 1.25 meter. It is also equipped with removable clamp cylinders for easy fixing. The orientation cylinders are massive. They allow an oscillation of 180 degrees. The transport lock can be mechanical or hydraulically controlled. The boom is light and rigid. It has cast ends and a welded center. The cylinders are spread in line for maximum spread of the forces. The link between the boom and the dipper is of the proven excavator style. The dippers can be of two kinds, monoblock or with extend-a-hole. Extend-a-hole gives 1.2 meter extension. When equipped with a hammer circuit, the extendable dipper should always be locked in the retracted position. The extendable dipper is fitted with removable shims to fight wear. The link between the dipper and the bucket is made by the semi-mechanical case-exclusive quick coupler. It makes it possible for the case backhoe to take all the standard or heavy-duty buckets across the range. The buckets can be of the standard type or the heavy-duty type. In both cases, they are equipped with ESCO teeth. The control of the backhoe can be either mechanical, like this, with the extend-a-hole controllable under my foot, or it can be with hydraulic pilot controls, like this one, with fully adjustable towers, and extend-a-hole controllable under my thumb. The hydraulic technology we use either on mechanical controls or pilot controls is X-Rod technology. It's flow sharing and it makes it possible for the combination of all the moves, and that's what makes these machines so exceptional. On the right-hand side, we find the hydraulic tank with integrated the battery compartment and tool storage. The fuel tank is of a capacity of 128 liters, enough to work many, many hours. The transmission can be of two types, mechanical power shuttle or power shift with torque converter. On the power shuttle mechanical transmission, the forward reverse lever is on the left-hand side, and the gear shifting is on the right-hand side with the clutch. The power shift version with torque converter is single lever. Forward, reverse, selection of gears, and quick downshift from second to first gear. The differential lock is situated on the rear axle. It can be either mechanically actuated under the operator's heel or hydraulically activated. The front axle oscillates sideways plus or minus 22 degrees, and it has a 55 degrees turning angle for minimum turning radius. Welcome to the case cab. The case cab is roomy and it has 4 flat doors that either open halfway or fully and click on one another. The loader control is a single lever control. It has a transmission cut under the thumb and a progressive electro-hydraulic control for the 4-in-1 bucket. The cabs are equipped with a lockable glove compartment and an overhead document compartment and radio. The complete instrument cluster is positioned on the side and low for visibility and access to the switches. On the common rail engines, we have the potential meter. and also easy diagnosis. With the mechanical controls, the stabilizers are controlled from the left-hand side, the engine RPM also, and the extension of the dipper from the left foot. With the pilot controls, I can adjust perfectly the towers to my position. The extender is on the right-hand side on the lever. The stabilizers control are on the left tower. The activation of the safety is here on the right-hand side, and so is the selection of the ISO or ACE pattern. On the 580 with the mechanical injection engine, we offer canopy versions. They are for two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, power shuttle or mechanical controls of the backhoes. Now that we've been through the functionalities of the two-wheel steer backhoe loaders from Case, I'm sure you will be able to find one that suits you best. In 1957, Case invented the integrated tractor backhoe loader and has been market leader since. The latest evolution of this world-class and respected know-how on two-wheel steer backhoes is available to you on the 580, 580 Plus, 590 Series 3.